Hi, good morning. I'm Jen Wall. Thank you so much for joining us. The Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on coronavirus cases statewide. DHS is reporting there are now 6,716 confirmed cases and no additional deaths. The number of cases are up from yesterday when there were 6,526 confirmed cases and 275 deaths. Now, with some areas starting to reopen, the CDC has released a list of symptoms we should all be looking out for. They do include chills for an extended amount of time, muscle pain, headaches, sore throat, and loss of taste or smell. Don't forget about the original symptoms: fever, cough, and shortness of breath. So according to the CDC, any of these symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after being exposed to the virus. And it's not all bad news. New numbers from Johns Hopkins University shows more than 860,000 people have recovered from the virus. More than 100,000 of those patients are from the U.S., but cases of coronavirus continue to rise on the Navajo Nation. The nation's president tweeted last night there are 79 new confirmed cases of the virus. So that brings us the total of cases to more than 1,700. These new numbers come as the nation wraps up another 57-hour weekend curfew. And the coronavirus outbreak has already claimed the lives of 59 people in Navajo Nation. That list includes former Miss Western Navajo Valentina Blackhorse. Doctors just confirmed that the 28-year-old had the virus a few days ago after she was taking care of her boyfriend who tested positive for COVID-19. Blackhorse's family says the mother of one had a bright future ahead of her.
She had her whole life ahead of her, and it was cut short due to this pandemic.
It is so devastating to hear that. Now, Blackhorse won her title back in 2015 and also competed in the Miss Indian World pageant. Our thoughts go out to the family right now. Medical students at the University of Utah are doing what they can to support healthcare workers treating patients on the reservation. The students teamed up with the Real Salt Lake Foundation to collect personal protective equipment. They're also taking in items like food, baby formula, and diapers. And at last check, the Navajo Nation has the third largest per capita infection rate in the country. So organizers say the alarming numbers are the driving force behind the donations.
A lot of these communities are so far spread out that to be able to get resources and help is somewhat challenging, and so you look at the Navajo reservation, I believe we have like 12 or 13 grocery stores across the area. So medical facilities are also far and few in between.
So over the weekend, volunteers collected more than 23,000 pairs of gloves, 2,400 masks, and 32 packs of diapers. All PPE collected will be donated to the Navajo Nation. Meantime, in Tempe, the Tempe Fire Department is stepping up its protection against the virus. Now, each fire station now carries a box with a sprayer that firefighters can use to hose themselves off and decontaminate any equipment. The boxes also hold essential personal protective equipment. And for the first time ever, some first responders will get a chance to do coronavirus antibody testing thanks to the Phoenix Suns. Phoenix Suns Charities donated $40,000 to help pay for these tests. Nearly 5,000 police officers, firefighters, and paramedics are expected to be tested. The results are expected to offer insight into the amount of coronavirus exposure local responders are facing. Now, first responders will be tested at the Cancer Center and are expected to get their results back in less than 15 minutes. Small business owners who missed out on the first round of loans under the Paycheck Protection Program are getting another chance. The loan program will start accepting applications this morning. The original fund was quickly drained by high demand, as you can imagine, and that left many owners empty-handed. The IRS is still working to distribute stimulus payments. The Treasury Department estimates more than half of the people eligible have already received their money. And as for the paper checks, well, the Treasury Department plans to mail those out soon. And let's go ahead and take another look at the new totals of coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. Here they are. DHS is reporting there are now 6,716 confirmed cases and no additional deaths. The number of cases are up from yesterday, when there were 6,526 confirmed cases and 275 deaths. And taking a closer look at the numbers here in Maricopa County. According to the County Health Department, there are more than 3,400 confirmed cases. There are now 121 deaths, 597 people in the hospital, and 178 in the intensive care unit. And don't forget, you can always find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it affects Arizona on the 12 News app. It's free to download if you don't have it already. Thanks for joining us for this latest update. Have a great day and stay safe, Arizona.